the depth of the market's a little bit thin, and I think the retail community who are investing primarily in cryptocurrencies is looking for that underbelly support from Wall Street's big banks and also big global trading banks. I think without that element in the market remains thinly traded. Even when we went on to the Chicago Board of Exchange, that was supposed to be a highlight, but the volumes haven't really picked up, and I think this is all because of a couple of factors. One, regulatory oversight, and also the second factor that's in there is just the intense scrutiny over fraudulent activity that happens in the underbellies of that market, which is keeping people on the sidelines.
Yeah, and do you think that Bitcoin and the other cryptos are going to really have a difficult time until we get institutional support, either in the way of a Goldman Sachs trading desk or an ETF that is approved by the U.S. SEC?
I think that's a valid point. I think the approval on an ETF scale would be dynamic for the market. I think that would reassure investors that there is a sufficient regulatory oversight, and investors obviously will feel a lot more comfortable. Because let's face it, if you look at a lot of these crypto houses that go under a moniker of an exchange, they're not exchanges at all. This is just to lure people in, and it gets a little bit worrisome when you start hearing of these billion-dollar frauds that are going through these companies, and people's cash is in danger. So I think this is also another issue that investors are dealing with.